Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the basic parts of a DSLR camera and their functions. A DSLR, it is digital single lens reflex. A DSLR camera consists of several components, each serving a specific function in the image capturing process. This is the diagrammatic format of a DSLR camera. Now we'll see each and every parts with their explanation. Okay, so the basic parts of the camera, first comes the lens. The lens is one of the most vital part of a camera. The light enters through the lens and it is where the photo process begins. Lens can be either fixed permanently to the body or it can be interchangeable. They can also vary in focal length, aperture and other details. The next is viewfinder. A viewfinder is the area on the camera that you look through in order to compose your shot. For some cameras, an LCD screen is used as a viewfinder. Once your photo is taken, it may not look exactly like what you see through the viewfinder. Factors such as lighting, lens, camera settings, and your camera capabilities will affect the finished result. Next is the mode dial. The most of the cameras today have a variety of functions and automatic features. The mode dial allows you to select different options such as automatic mode, programming mode, sport mode and macro mode. The older cameras may not have the mode dial because all of the settings are manual. These are also some compact cameras that use touch screen for selecting the option instead of a dial. Next is the shutter release. Every camera comes equipped with a shutter release button. This is simply a button on the camera that is used to snap the picture. It opens and closes the shutter, allowing the necessary light and the information to enter into the camera. The amount of time the shutter stays open depends on what you have your shutter speed set to. The length and time of the shutter is left open and exposed is determined by the shutter speed. The next is aperture. Aperture affects the image exposure by changing the diameter of the lens opening, which controls the amount of light reaching the image sensor. Some dial compacts will have fixed aperture lens, but most of the today's compact camera will have at least a small aperture range. The range will be expressed in f-stops. For a DSLR, the lens will vary on the f-stop limits. But it is usually easily defined by reading the side of the lens. So there will be a set of numbers stating that f-stop or f-stop range. For example, f by 2.8 or f by 3.5 to 5.6. So this will be a lowest setting that is available on the lens. Next is the image sensor. An image sensor converts the optical image into an electronic signal, which is then sent to your memory card. There are two types of image sensor that is usually used in digital cameras, that is CMOS and CCD. Both forms the image sensor to accomplish the same task only, but each has a different method of performance. Next is LCD screen. The LCD screen is found on the back of the body and can vary in size. On a digital compact camera, the LCD has typically begun to replace the viewfinder completely. On DSLR, the LCD is mainly for the viewing photos after shooting, but some cameras do not have live mode as well as. Next is the focus ring. Film or a digital SLR camera will mostly have a focus ring. This ring is typically found on the lens that allows manual control of the camera in focus. You can decide if you want the whole image should be in focus or just a part of the image should be in focus. Many cameras will have autofocus feature also in addition to the focus ring. Other cameras such as point and shoot cameras will not have a focus ring at all, as all the focus is set automatically. Next is pentaprism or pentamirror. A pentaprism or pentamirror is a set of mirrors that redirects the light from the reflex mirror to the viewfinder. It helps to ensure accurate framing and provides a bright, clear image in the viewfinder. Next is the memory card slot. A memory card slot is where you insert the storage card and store the captured images and videos. Next is the battery compartment. A DSLR camera are powered by rechargeable batteries. Houses the battery. The battery compartment houses the battery that provides the necessary power to operate the camera. These are the main components of a DSLR camera and their functions. Each part plays a crucial role in capturing a high quality images. Thank you.